How's it going again, guys? So if y'all seen the short or the intro video that I did for the 2023 claim, you'll know that I put this fiberglass hood on the truck and the fiberglass bumper. So during the off season when I wasn't really doing much, I did manage to do that. I ordered that 8 months ago and it finally came in. So we're going to get into kind of about what the truck weighs, where I took weight out the truck, and all of that. So we're going to start this out, but I'm going to go ahead. I got the old hood I used to run right here. It's the metal one. Now it is stripped. All the webbing on the inside's gone. So we're going to get a weight on that hood versus the fiberglass hood and just show how much came off the nose. So we'll go ahead and pop this off the truck real quick and go ahead and weigh it. I got a scale right here and see how much it took off the nose. I got these little push clips off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for them. I love them. All you do is go around, you just push them down, and it'll pop right on up. So, we'll do that. Just lift it right off. Alright. Alright, so before I get into weighing all this stuff and kind of walking you through it, I'm going to post a picture up real quick, let you kind of see what the truck weighs now. Now I got it pretty about good side to side, 50-50. The picture I'm going to show is without me in it, so it's going to show the driver's side a little bit lighter, but with me in it, it's definitely really close to like 50-50 weight distribution side to side, the way I relocated everything. And honestly, for a truck, especially with me taking a good bit of weight out the front of the truck compared to the rest, it's not far off 50-50 front to back. I think it's like 56-44. So it's getting pretty close, especially for a truck, to being 50-50 all the way around. So honestly, if I put some stiff suspension or stiffened up the coilovers and stuff, it probably would be really good for like a road course or something like that too. But so yeah, picture's gonna be right here. I'm gonna let y'all see that, and then after that we'll get right on into weighing this stuff and showing you around the truck. Alright, so let's see what I weigh to begin with. I don't know how well y'all can see this. So showing 159.2 for my weight. $179 for the hood, so that's right at 20 pounds for the hood. So she's pretty light, she ain't that heavy. Now we're gonna grab this steel hood here. Clean that a little more so we don't blow it down. Alright, 198.6, almost 199. So you're looking at, this hood's 40 pounds, that one's 20 pounds. And like I said, if you see here already, this hood is already stripped out and it's still 40 pounds. I want to say that without being stripped out, it was like 52 or 56 pounds. So yeah, if you're just taking a normal hood and going with the fiberglass, you'll probably be taking about 35 pounds off your truck. And that's right off the nose. Alright, so that covers the hood. Like I said, the other thing I went with is a fiberglass front bumper. And I don't have the original bumper here to weigh the difference. But I want to say It dropped 24 pounds off the bumper. Again, that's going to be right off the front of the truck, right off the nose. Best place to take it off, other than rotating mass. But yeah, so it's 24 pounds off of that. So that's the total between the hood and the bumper. 44 pounds off the nose of my truck. Then you can add on like the brackets and other stuff, because there ain't nothing but aluminum tabs and stuff holding this on. And like I said, it's just little push locks for the hood mount. So you figure maybe about 50 pounds altogether, counting the brackets and everything that was behind this stuff. And yeah, so every 100 pounds is supposed to be like a tenth of a second, so maybe knocked off 500ths of a second on the truck. Not big, but every bit helps over time. So I do kind of want to go through these real quick. So these are what those hood pins hook into. So basically I just drilled a hole in the radiator support, put the nut on the bottom. You can adjust it up and down to adjust how the hood sits on there. But yeah, these things work good. They seem to latch it down hard. I like them. Again, I'll have the link in the description for them and stuff. I think they look a lot better than just your old regular style hood pins and stuff like that. And then you don't have them flopping around or scratching up anything because it's just push locks. But yeah, so that's going to be that. We'll get into some of the other weight reduction now. We'll go to the interior of the truck. Let me throw this hood on real quick. Alright, so we're going to go on into the inside of the truck. Not too much in here. It's still got the full original dash. I got huge door speakers and stuff in there. They actually weigh more than factory. The magnet on them was like that freaking big. In fact, my window won't go down without hitting them. I need to put spacers on and space it out. But biggest thing in here, like I said, I left the interior pretty much untouched, is they don't have the center console no more, but I will be getting another center console. The biggest thing is these seats. The factory seats in these trucks are super heavy. I want to say like 64 pounds each. These weigh, I think, right at 30 pounds with the brackets and everything on them. So 30, 34, somewhere in there. So you figure about 30 pounds each one. That was another 60 pounds off the truck just in seats. Now I don't have I took the airbags and stuff out of them, except for this one. This one's still here, it's just unplugged. But passenger airbag and some other little stuff like that. But no, the interior is pretty much I just actually put all new interior in it. That's all new dash and everything in there. So yeah, interior pretty much untouched. Other thing, I went to the aluminum fuel cell in the bed, but I mean the factory one was plastic, so I don't know if that saved any weight. Step side bed, that was another big one. So the fleet side bed is a lot heavier than the step side. I want to say that was like another 130, 140 pounds for that between the bed tailgate. Also went with a roll pan on the back. So that's, I want to say that was like another 20 something pounds there. Now I do have a reach hitch on here, so that's a pretty heavy piece on the truck, but I want to be able to pull a trailer. It's a hideaway hitch. So all I gotta do is pull the license plate up, and there's a hitch right there behind it. So I can kind of show you. See, it's got a reach hitch under here still. The wheels and tires, I saved a little bit of weight there over the factory one. I'm not sure on the exact weights there, but I did save some weight, and I went with some pretty skinny tires on the front. I mean, they're not actual skinnies, but they're like a passenger car small tire. Alright guys, so that's going to cover pretty much most of the weight savings on the truck. I think originally the truck was about 4,600 pounds, so I've taken off a lot overall. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. If you have any more questions or anything, feel free to ask them down in the comments. Again, I appreciate y'all as always coming and watching my videos. If you could, just hit that like, subscribe button. Like as always, it'll help me out immensely. So I'll be seeing a little bit more of you guys here as the spring comes in and the weather starts warming up. I do plan on pulling the motor out of the truck. Ain't doing no big upgrades or nothing, just got a few oil leaks from all that beating on it last year. So I might do a video on me pulling that out, cleaning the motor up, changing out the gaskets and putting it back in. But again guys, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for coming, and I'll catch y'all guys in the next one.